Are you facing ad serving has been limited and your account disabled? I will guide you how to protect your AdSense account disabled. So let's begin to tutorial how to protect our AdSense account from ad serving has been limited. The number of ads you can show has been limited. That's a big warning from a Google AdSense account. Maybe next time your AdSense account goes to permanently disabled and there is 99% no chances to get recover your AdSense account. So ad account is disabled. Sometime you log in your AdSense account, you see your account is disabled by Google AdSense team. That's too much bad. We're doing lot of hard work on our website and seeing this type of, and we depressed from we go in these depressions. So someone visiting our website and they click 2 or 4 5 time and 10 time our single ad, and many to under one in just 3 or 4 time, in 3 or 4 minutes, in 3 or 4 minutes they click lot of our website ads, and AdSense count this invalid click in our, and they AdSense count this in invalid click. So today I will guide you how to protect your AdSense account. So maybe your visitor is your hater and they we cannot say anything what they are, what they want, and maybe accidentally they click 3 or 4 time, and maybe they visiting your website in 24 or 10 to 20 time, and they click, maybe they like 3 or 4 ad and they clicking, they may be interesting in ads, but AdSense not understand they are interesting or not, but the AdSense click count this click in invalid. So let's begin to know how to protect AdSense. Just go to your WordPress website and search add new plugin. This plugin is WordPress, so maybe which platform you are using, just search it. If you find this plugin and use it, AdSense invalid click activity. So this plugin protect your AdSense account from invalid click activity. This account so AdSense invalid click protector, AICP, and here you can see 10,000 plus active installations, and also rating is too good. I recommended you just click on installation. Just once installation is complete, then click on inactivate. So maybe the visitor coming on our website, they accidentally click, maybe they like our 3 or 4 our 3 or 4 ads, and they like our 3 or 4 ads and they click on, but AdSense not understand, maybe they are hater. So set the the ad click limit. So someone visiting our website, so set the ad limit. So someone click on our 3 ad, 2 ad, 1 ad, after they clicking, they want to click number 4 ad, number 5 ad. This plugin help you to protect your AdSense. So this plugin help you to do not count number 4 ad they click on your AdSense ad. So once they click number 4 ad, then AdSense not count number 4 and they click on your AdSense. If they click number 3 ad, click count cookie expiration. So if someone visitor click on your 2 ad, so 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 block their IP for 12 hours, so their click is now count for 12 hours. Set the visitor ban duration default 7 days. If they're doing again and again, then set the number of days. I on how much you want to add number of days, number 1 day, 2 day, 3 day or 4 day. I adding 1 day as it's mean 24 hour. If they clicking 3 or 4 5 time on my ad, then this plugin help you to protect your AdSense. That's mean and they will not more this plugin help you to not show more your AdSense ad to your visitor. Ban country list, but if you want to block someone a specific low country and invalid click activator country, so if you want to block, so just enter your list and block DIP if you want. So this plugin help you AdSense has bill limit, and number two is ad account is disabled permanently and there is no chances to recover your AdSense account. It's our hard work. So just go to WordPress dashboard and install this plugin. Here congratulations, all of your setting has been successfully saved. So once they click on my ad 2 time and their ad click is blocked for 12 hours. If they click 3 or 4 times for in 12 hours, so their count is, so in 12 hours they click 5 times, then but so their click is count for 2 times. If they click 10 to 20 times, but their click is count 2 times in 12 hours. If you want to 20 hours, just select 20 hours, but if click more and more again and again, then they will ban for 20. So they will ban for 24 hours. So just use this plugin I recommended you to protect your AdSense account. Maybe you ask to your friend and your other relatives to this is my website, but they don't want you to make money. They will click on your website 10 to 20 times, but AdSense not understand who is clicking. Maybe they understand you are clicking and you are asking for invalid click, and then AdSense will block your AdSense account. But after installing this plugin, if your hater click 100 times, but your ad click is count 2 times. If they click 100 times, 1000 times, but their one IP click ad is 2, and they will block for 20 or to click more. And if they click more again and again, they will know this plugin help you to not show more ad on to your visitor. That's not mean all of your visitor, that's mean from one computer, from one IP address, from one location for one visitor. I hope this tutorial helps for you. Goodbye, I will meet you in the next video. So thanks for watching and subscribe. Goodbye.